It's good. What is good? I'm on some cozy shit right now, kid. I got my hoodie on. I got the air on full blast. It's Monday. It's the best day of the week. And I'm feeling good. Hold on. How's everyone doing? How the hell are we, chat? How the hell are we? Another amazing start to a beautiful week. A beautiful week that we're going to have in the markets. And I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to start tonight's amazing stream. Hopefully get a beautiful trade. And just see how we get on tonight, right? You know? I appreciate every single one of you for tuning in. Whether it's late at night, whether it's early in the morning. Thank you to each and every single one of you out there that are tuning in to watch your boy right now. And listen, we're going to maintain patience, discipline. Guys, I have not traded my Apex accounts since like the beginning of last week. I've just been sitting here waiting. I've been sitting here waiting. Here goes Ant on my computer again. I just been sitting here waiting patiently like a sniper in the wild. So, we're going to see if we can catch a trade tonight. And yeah, I am so excited to be back for an amazing stream. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to another amazing night. And guys, I did want to say this. When I'm not streaming here, right, I plan on streaming the rest of the week on my channel. And I'm also going to be giving away Apex accounts on my channel because Bella at Apex hooked me up with 20 accounts. So I am going to be giving accounts away on my channel tomorrow. So I'll be streaming here Monday, Thursday, Asia session. And then the rest of the week, I'm going to be streaming on my channel. We're going to be giving some accounts away. We're going to be trading live. And we're going to be locked the fuck in. Because, guys, listen. I've been neglecting my own channel as well. So I want to do both. I got the ChartFanatics. I Tuesday, Thursday. And then we'll go back to my channel as well. Because I feel like I should be streaming every single freaking day. Because I love you guys. All right? I'm going to make it work. So I think the plan tomorrow is for me to do a little bit of pre-market, and we'll give some accounts away. We'll talk to charts. We'll talk anything you guys need. But yeah, let's get into the beautiful sponsors of today's episode. Then I will greet every single one that's here, and we will get into the charts because Asia session is about to open up right now. And gold is ripping. Gold's ripping. So, let's see how we get on. All right, let's do sponsors. To my right, get the free 5-minute weekly newsletter at themarketjournal.com. Themarketjournal.com. Prop firm trade to compare and contrast all your various different prop firms in one cohesive platform. Whether you want to learn about the reviews, the equity drawdown, balance-based drawdown, comparing and contrasting different account sizes, comparing and contrasting different prop firms based on their current prices and their deals. The prop firm trader has got you covered in all in one cohesive platform. Go and check them out and compare and contrast various different prop firms in one seamless place. And TradeZilla. I think we'll be giving away a big account tonight at TradeZilla. Hopefully 6 months. TradeZilla. Code CF20 will save you 20% off at TradeZilla.com. CF20, the most undervalued, underutilized platform in the entire space. TradeZilla.com has got you covered to make yourself a better, well-versed trader in the markets. You guys need to be utilizing a backtesting journaling software and keeping yourselves accountable in these markets, people. You got to keep yourself accountable in TradeZilla. There's no better platform to do that on. And with code CF, you could save CF20. You could save 20% at TradeZilla.com. And we will also be giving away accounts. And my favorite sponsor of tonight, my favorite sponsor coming up, 70% off right now at ApexTraderFunding.com. Until 11:59 p.m. tomorrow night, right? 70% off, $40 lifetime activation fee. And guess what? The 70% is recurring. So just make sure you grab those accounts now, right? And you can lock in that 70%. It's not going to be after 30 days. You're not going to go back. It's going to be 70%. So whatever you lock in now so you don't have to rush it. You don't have to take things fast. So use code CF there at ApexTraderFunding.com and Funded Next. If you want to go the CFD route, which they also accept U.S. clients now, they're paying for you 15% of what you make in the evaluation stage. Funded Next is a long-standing, reliable firm paying over hundreds of millions of dollars. And if you need a reliable CFD firm, Funded Next has got you frickin' covered, baby. So go ahead, get your Apex accounts, get your CFD accounts. You can lock in on the future side, you can lock in on the CFD side. I'm your host, Tyler John Gotel. And that's our beautiful sponsors for tonight's episode. Let's lock into the charts. All right, let me greet everyone. Who's up in this bitch right now? Who's here? Who's up in here? Who's in here? Who's up in here? Who the hell's up in this bitch right now? Satvin, Trader07, Combat Center, Champ, Kez91, Dynamite, Crunk, MC, Matty Owen, my brother Matty O, Andy Lewis, Justin, Navdeep, Ahmad, Dexter Goes Wild, Matty O, my boy, Integra, Jumpman, Scratch Off Millionaires, Austin, Adam, Jerajam, Here Lamb Dan, Tony Lanes, Coffee Trades, Scratch Off Millionaires, Jumpman, Ray, who's this? Ray McCord, Daniel Zammit, HD Not Lost, Justin. Hell yeah. What's good, Jalad? What's good, everyone? Austin, what's going on? All right, so we have Asia session open right here. And what do you know? Goldie's pumping, right? I would like to get on the action, guys, you know? I would like to get in on the action. I got to see something I like. I can't just jump in here. I can't. I want to get in on the action, guys. I'm hungry. I want to get in on some of this, on some of these longs right now. Zog, Trader007 NQ. Guys, I want to get in on these longs right now. I just need an entry model. I want to join the party. I want to join the Goldie party. What the heck? Let me get in here. Come on, Goldie, give me something. Let your boy get involved. Let your boy freaking get involved here. Who else is in here? Ibrahim. All aura. I'm trying to get involved in this trade right now, guys. But I need Goldie to give me an entry model here. I need something. Do I still trade the 4-hour AMD model? I will, but I have these two models that I'm really focusing on right now are just, it's easy to execute. It's extremely mechanical. And I just found the results. The risk to reward is really high. I can risk very small in these trades. So I'm really sticking to, and you know what, guys? I'm sticking to just, around 2. So I like to just trade right now. My main focus with trading right now and where I'm at is I like to just trade. I feel like my favorite time frame right now, based on my back testing and all of my journaling and everything that's been going on for me right now, is I love the 15-minute time frame, and I love the mean reversion model. Those are like my two favorites right now. So I like this. I like the 15-minute time frame. I like the CRT model, which I use in the 15-minute time frame, and then 4-hour, 1 hour is great as well for entries. So kind of just using the CRT model and then the mean reversion model are the two that I'm really, really focusing on right now. And I just been seeing the best results of my back testing, and I just am looking for those two. And if I see it, I'll take it. If not, I won't. And also, I will always look for the previous day high, previous day low sweep. But as you guys know, it doesn't happen as often. It needs to be during a specific time window. So I'm always on the lookout for that, right? And just really focusing on less time frames, right? So and correlated time frames as well. So 15-minute, I like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, and then the 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 for the mean reversion model. Honestly, when I was looking through my back testing, the best results, I didn't get as many setups on the 1 minute for the mean reversion. So the best setups for the mean reversion were 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. I really didn't get that many on the 1 minute. I got more, the really, really good ones were like 3, 4, and 5 minute. I got a few on the 2 minute, but mostly 3, 4, 5 minute. I feel like, honestly, the 3 minute showed a lot of the mean reversion models. The 5 minute was great. The 4 minute's good. 2 minute, I didn't really get as many on the 1 minute. I wasn't seeing as many. So just going off of my data here, I'm always collecting more. And, yeah. So, who's this? Oh, my brother. AB. AB in the house. AB, I need an overnight play to get myself back in the... Guys, I am still, if you're not aware, I am still in the Tradeify Cup. But I haven't taken a trade in quite some time. So I got it, to keep myself in the running with Big AB, my brother AB, my boy, who's crushing it. I got to take a trade, man. But I got to find something that I like. I think I'm 800 right now. But, guys, I got to take a trade. I got to take a trade maybe outside of my system to keep myself in the running here. I'm going to, now they're doing the eliminations every day. It's like, I'm going to get cut if I don't take a trade. I'm going to get cut. I'm going to hit the bench, guys. I'm going to hit the bench. So I got to figure something out. And, guys, can you give us a quick overview of the mean reversion model? Yeah, I'm not trying to rush it, but this is the thing. They are eliminating people every single day now. They're eliminating people every day. So I have to put a trade on, I think. I'm going to have no choice. Yeah, they're doing freaking... Yeah, it's just, I'm trying to stay competitive with my boy AB. I got to stay in it with him. Yeah, drop some likes for your brother, for my boy. No entry yet. I'm still just chilling, right? I do like the longs, guys. I do like the longs. Nah, so I made the next round. I made the next round. I already got the email saying that I made it. Wait, let me see if I can pull it up here without showing too much of my... Oh, well, hold on. I'll show you. What did I have it on? Oh, here. Nope. Here? Shit, I don't remember where I had it. Hold on, guys. Oh. How do I do this without showing you guys my email? Well. Boom. Boom. There you go. All right, anyway. Yeah, so. Don't do it with gold. Yeah, I know, AB. I'm trying, my brother. No. Yo, so ask me any questions. So, guys, when I'm looking for the mean reversion model, this is kind of where I... All right. So, as you guys know, the indicator is fully updated to its latest update, right? So, this is the mean reversion model indicator. It will go off for you. You just have to set your alerts. And so, essentially, like... I'll show you an A+ setup of what we would want to look for, right? Here you go. So, we'll show you one on NASDAQ. All right, here you go. Boom. So, this is like an ideal reversion, right? And these trades run pretty substantial. So, here we go. We have 4. This is the mean reversion model. And look, there's the cookie right there. There's the chocolate chip cookie. And the latest update to the indicator was that we can't close above this high. So I had my boy, as you guys seen, Zero to Funded. He coded this for me. And yeah, so I had him do this one update. So listen, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fair value gaps outside the Bollinger Bands, right? We're outside of 2 standard deviations. We're inside of a kill zone. What do? We don't sweep this high. We invert. Our short is here. Our stop is above the fair value gap. And listen, you could target the mean, but these trades run, bro. Like, this ran huge. This is a 50R. But if you just took it to the mean, it's over a 7R trade. But on that, so on the biggest runners are on NQ, YM, and ES. Gold typically won't run as deep. Like what I noticed on my data with NASDAQ, S&P, and YM is that when we get the reversal, it reverses freaking hard, man. Like, it's a complete reversal. Gold, you'll get like a 7R, a 5R, and then it'll eventually, go back. But when you get these trades on like NQ and YM, these things freaking dump, man. Like, especially for shorts. I mean, it's crazy. Here, I'll show you a good one on gold too. Here's a good one on gold on the 2-minute. Let me show you another one on Goldie. Here's a 2-minute on gold. While we're waiting for a trade, of course. Let me go here. Oh, what time frame was this? See, I think this was a 4-minute. Let me go here. Let me show you like a lower RR one on Goldie. Okay, here you go. Here's another one on Goldie. Oh, this is US 30. This is YM. My fault. This is YM. Here's an example on YM. Ready? Here you go. This one's not in the kill zone, but I would still take it, considering how many fair value gaps we had. We had 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, we had 5 fair value gaps printing outside the bands. This is a substantial move outside of 2 standard deviations. What happened? We get the cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, we did not close over this high. As long as we didn't close over the high, you're chilling. What happens? We take the inversion here, stops right above the fair value gap. And where do we target? You could target the mean, which this ran for a 13R, or you could hold it for the remainder of the session if you want to trim there. This ran for a 16R. So like I said, do these trades happen every single day? No, but this is a badass model, dude. This model is gangsta. This model's gangsta, and the indicator does most of the work. Let me show you gold. Let me show you a 2-minute on gold. That was the YM. So let me show you a 2-minute model on Goldie. Here we go, right here. Here's Goldilocks. No. A little farther back. Here it goes. Here's Goldilocks. A beautiful, beautiful short. I put this in the Discord. Beautiful long on gold. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fair value gaps printing outside the bands. We sweep the low. Do not close below it. We invert, right? The inversion's here. The stop is below the fair value gap. It should not trade below. Look, right below. What did this run to? This was right in the beginning of Asia session. This is all manipulation down here. Look at all these fair value gaps. Look at this. As soon as Asia opened, boom, we manipulated. We manipulated down. Look, multiple fair value gaps outside of 2 standard deviations. We sweep the low. We do not close below it. We invert. Our stops are below. What did this run to? Okay, the mean was a 1 to 8. But what did it run to? Oh, over a 1 to 20, bro. Over a 1 to 20. The indicator is in the Discord. This is free sauce. This is free sauce. I'm telling you right now. This is one of the main models that I trade in my prop accounts. This and the other another model that I'm using, the CRT model, are the 2 models that I'm using in my trading right now. No, the indicator doesn't cost money. It's free. It's free 99. You know what the indicator costs? It costs you 1 like on this stream. It costs 1 single like on this live stream. That's all I ask. The indicator, it costs you 1 like. So all you gotta do is thumbs up this live stream, and the indicator is free. Do you know why? Because I love you guys. It's free. It's in the Discord. Look, I'm gonna bring the Discord up. Hold on. Here's the Discord. Look, it's right in here. Free 99. 0 cost. Ready? Look, you go here. Listen, out of all these people here, I'm the coolest. And you guys have to, every time that you're in the Discord and somebody else talks, in order to get the indicator, you have to say, Tyler is the coolest. And you go to my section, and look, right here. Granny's secret recipe. Right there for you. Right there, look. Go ahead, have it. Go ahead, it's right here. Look. Right there, boom. There you go. Put it on. You're welcome. Don't say I never did nothing for you. It's in my section right here. Boom. Hold on, let me move this up. There you go. Look at it. Look at it. If you want it, go get it. It's free. You know why? Because I'm all about giving back. Love you guys. Go ahead and use it. Throw it on. If you hate it, don't use it. You know what I mean? It's free. No cost. Just 1 like on the stream. That's all I ask. Just 1 singular like. Can I pin it? How do I do that? If you guys could teach me how to pin it. Oh, wait. Here you go. Teach me how to pin it. How do I pin it, guys? Teach me how to pin something and I'll pin it. I just don't know how. You got it? How the heck do I pin it? I don't know how to pin it. Just go to my section. It's right here. You can't win a Ducky race. What settings are my Bollinger Bands? My Bollinger Bands? Right here. Okay. Here you go. Right here. Oh, the Bollinger Bands are already set for you with Granny. Everything that you need is in that indicator. You don't need to do nothing else. It's good. Not really, not yet. You don't have to use the indicator if you don't need it. Nothing wrong with it. Guys, you guys don't have to use this. It's just free. If you want it, it's at your disposal. If not, it's totally fine. Like, I don't take offense to it. I just give it to you guys if you want it. That's all. If you want it, you got it. That's all. You don't have to use it. If you hate it, don't ever use it. It's fine. Totally fine. It's just, I wanted to create something that could help you guys maybe utilize a mechanical model to where things could be a little bit more seamless and a little bit easier for you. Obviously, the setup's not going to print every single day, but if you see it and you want to throw in a relatively lower risk trade and you want to utilize the indicator, all power to you. That's all. I'm just trying to help. That's all I am doing. I mean nothing by it. If you guys want to use it, you can. If you don't, no harm, no foul. I will not take offense to it. I personally utilize it, and I think it's amazing. And that's it. And the indicator will give you alerts. You set the alert. As soon as you get 4 fair value gaps that print outside the bands, it'll send you a little alert to your phone, and you'll be notified on what time frame it's on. Whether it's, you got to set it, you got to set each individual time frame. So when you go to the alert, right, you come here and you're like, all right, I want to set. So you're like, all right, I want to add an alert on gold. So you go to Granny's secret recipe. You want to add above the Bollinger Bands, like you're looking for shorts. And then you want to do the 4-minute, right? You'll hit once bar close. You'll hit open-ended alert. And then it'll be on there forever. You won't have to touch it again. That's it. So yeah, if you want to use it, go ahead. If not, all good. I'm deleting that alert because I already have it. But yeah, guys, let's see how Goldie's doing on the 15. Anyway. Tyler, are you using regular Bollinger Band indicator as well? No. Granny does everything for you. The Granny's recipe does everything. Granny has got you covered. Charlie boy's texting me. Oh, shit. Yeah. Morning, brother. Let's go, my boy. Sadiq, my brother. One day away from my first funded account payout. Let's go, baby. Woo! Good morning, Web3. Yeah, Goldie's boring right now. Let's take a look at the other assets, guys. How about that? Let's take a look at NQ. What we doing? Nothing, huh? Nothing, huh? Yes. What's our higher time frame telling us? Let's see what the 1 hour is talking about. Yeah, kind of a boring. We're gonna see. I mean, this is like relatively flat right now, Relatively flat. Where can I get the indicator? On FX pairs. I haven't tested it. Indices, I'm like NASDAQ, US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500, and US 30, the best. The absolute best. The price action is the cleanest. It moves the best. When you get a reversal, it's hard, it's fast, it's quick. Goldie's also very good, but let me show you an example on Goldie where, I think it was a 4-minute. Let me show you here. Because Goldie's being relatively boring right now. Let me show you a setup with Granny here. With Grandma. Okay. Here's one. It's a 4-minute. All right, here's a 4-minute. Right? You see what I mean here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fair value gaps print outside. Right? 4 fair value gaps print outside. We got the cookie. We got the cookie monster. We sweep the high. Right? We invert. Oh. We invert. Let me fix this. You see how we didn't get to the mean here? Like this was a 1 to 6. This is a 1 to 6, and then it reversed. So one thing that I noticed with Goldie is that the moves aren't as substantial with Goldie, right? the moves aren't as substantial. Like when I see the moves on the NASDAQ and I see it on S&P and I see it on YM, the shorts, like if I get a short, it's much deeper, man. Like it's a aggressive move. When I get on Goldie, I think I just have to keep my targets a little smaller because it'll reverse, right? So I'll get like, this is a 1 to 8. So I would think about trimming a lot earlier, like based on my data on Goldie right now, right? Because like, as you see, this ran for a 1 to 8.4. Well, if you got down here and right here, a 1 to 6. And then we reversed, right? It went back. So that's an example on Goldie there where we kind of ran to like a 1 to 5. But like I said, in my data, it doesn't typically run as deep as NASDAQ and YM. Two FPG go around. Yes, it works. So that's another example I wanted to show you on Goldie. Let me see. I think there's another one. Let me see here. That's the 2 minute. Let me see here. Let me go to the 5. I think there's some nice ones on the 5. But yeah, you just keep that in mind. Like maybe have a smaller target on Goldie. These are all things that you'll adapt to these things, right? So we just have to get more data, and our targets can maybe don't need to be as deep on gold. I mean, a 1 to 5 is substantial, right? Like that's a huge trade. Yeah. No, you don't have to draw any of it. You don't have to do anything. The indicator does everything. You don't have to draw the fair value gaps. You don't have to do anything. It does everything. It's a fully mechanical model. I tried to make this shit as mechanical as possible, so you literally just have to hit buy or sell. That's it. I'm trying my best to literally make a mechanical model that is, obviously I don't believe that 100% mechanical models have long-term sustainability in all types of market conditions, right? So as far as what it is right now, and if we ever need to make changes to it in the future, right? Depending on market conditions, then we change it. But it works for right now, right? The market conditions that we are currently in, the indicator is working, right? And like I said, 100% mechanical models don't always see sustainability in every single market condition, right? So you always have to adapt. But for the market conditions that are currently present, the indicator is very powerful. And I will say it works the best on NASDAQ, S&P, and YM. It does good work on gold as well, but the targets have to be a little bit smaller. That's just what I've been seeing in my data, and I'm going to keep you guys updated with my data always, right? I don't trade off emotion. I trade data. So let me see. I think there was another one here. Where was it? Let me try. Let me find it here, guys. What time frame was it on? The 3? I gotta find it. And guys, if you're wondering, these are just my sessions. This is my session indicators. So all these lines are just different sessions. Where can I get it? You go into the Discord, right here. Go into the Discord, hit Tyler G. It's right here. It's right here. So we could take off the old Granny and Papa Gene and use Granny Secret. Granny Secret is a different indicator. It's different. It's different. This one is different than the other two that we had developed. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, so just go to my section in the Discord, Tyler G, CF Live, Granny Secret Recipe. It's there, right there. You scroll down and you guys got it. Boom. So what's Goldie doing right now? All right. Goldie's pumping. There she goes. Can I please get in on the action, Gold? Please? I would like to join the fun. I just need something here. Have you seen a time frame that works best for the pairs you trade? So, like I said, maybe I didn't get many setups on the 1 minute. So maybe leave the 1 minute out leave the 1 minute out when you are setting your alerts. Set it to the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. Don't go higher than that. Don't go higher than the 5. You want to take advantage of getting into the reversal at its most infantile stages, right? So you want to catch it at its, at its when it's first developing. So focus on the smaller time frame. You're gonna go long? Yeah, well, I would do my little chant, but there's no trade yet. I'm sitting here bored. To join the fun, simply click buy. Sir, please tell me the input settings and names of all your indicators. Web3, everything is already there, bro. Everything's there already. Everything there that you need is right here. You do not even need to change anything, bro. You don't. You put this indicator on your chart, it does all the work. You see, I didn't even print this fair value gap. It did it itself. Granny did that. Grandma. Yo, Piney boy! What's good, son? Yo, what's good, Piney? How you been, my boy? Dude, I gotta get back in. How you been, my brother? I miss you, Pine. Have you been running moose races without me? Piney, have you been running those moose races without me? I gotta get back into the streams with Piney boy. That's my 6 p.m. My stream. Every time it's 6, I go watch Piney. He's running the moose races. You know what? I'm a little salty, Pine, because every time you run that moose race, I could never win. So, I'm a little upset about it. I'm a little upset, Pine. You know? It's like, do you even care about me? You did? Shit. How's the trading been, Piney? How you been doing? Oh, look who's up in here. Ice Baby. What's good, Icy Cube? What's good? How we doing? It's like maybe I want to win a moose race. Maybe I want to win a duck race, guys. You ever think of that? It's like maybe Tyler wants to win one. Nobody cares. I got a small moose knuckle. Moose knuckle needs a return. It's like, I run the ducky races, and it's like maybe I want to win one. Maybe I want to feel good. Maybe I want to be a strawberry head. Nobody thinks about that, right? Nobody cares. Nobody cares about me. It's just Tyler, run the race. Maybe I want to be part of it. Maybe I want to be a strawberry head. Do you ever think of that? No, because you guys hate me. Because you guys hate my guts. Tyler, what's your average win rate within Asia session on gold? It depends on the exact model. So if I'm looking for like the 15-minute CRT model, it's usually like 75-80%, right? But it doesn't occur. It doesn't occur as often. That's the thing, is that with having a higher win rate and having a higher RR, it's that the trades aren't going to occur. Like, this is what you got to understand, guys. If you're going to trade more frequently, your RR, this is just how trading works. If you're going to trade more frequently, your RR is going to be smaller, right? If you're going to have a higher win rate, either your risk to reward is going to be smaller, or the frequency of your trades isn't going to be as often, right? So you don't get a high win rate. You don't get a high win rate, a high RR, and frequency. You don't understand? You're never going to get all three. It's like a chick, right? It's like a girl. She may be hot, but she may be a pain in the fucking ass, right? It's like, what do you want to deal with? It's like, she may be kind of busted, but, she's got a heart of gold, right? So it's like, pick your poison, guys. What do you want to deal with? You want the hot chick who's a pain in the ass and it's high maintenance and is always like, but I want to go. And then, no. Or do you want the chick that's like, she's like a 6 or a 7 and she's like, she's a little beat, but, she's got a heart of gold. Cooks for you, rubs your feet, hangs out with your Uncle Festa, cooks your meals, makes your protein shakes, gives you back rubs, what do you want? Pick your poison. You ain't gonna get it all. That's not how life works. It's not. You don't get everything you want. You gotta decide the shit that you can deal with, right? This is life. It's like, what can I put up with? Do I want the smoking hot chick who's kind of annoying? Or it's like, what do I care about the mental sanity? It's like, or is it just like, she's hot, It's like, all right, I could deal with her being like, and she's like nagging all the time and shit. Or you go for the little chubbier chick, a little busted, and then, she's like a 6 or a 7, but you just deal, she's got a heart of gold. She gets on the inside what matters. 50. 6 to 7, but cooks good. Okay, that's fine. So you would be more of a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio type of guy, or 1-to-2 with maybe like a 50 to 60% win rate. That may be your speed. You may be like a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio kind of guy. You win like 50, 60% of your trades. You're cool with losing. You're profitable. You're profitable. But it's like, you could do a little bit better, That's why you gotta find the unicorn. I want a 5 so I could try less. Yeah, you guys are shot. I married the second option. After hot girls, most of them are crazy. Yeah, you're right. Do you have any course, TG? I have no course. Top tip: when you're marrying them, they all become a pain in the ass. I could agree with that. And Kachak gonna be faster than me. This is true. 6 to 7, but cooks good, Piney. Yo, Micah. Yo, Micah's in the house, baby. Micah, how we doing? Yeah. You have to sacrifice something, guys. Like I said, you want the high win rate. You want the high RR. Your trades aren't going to happen as frequently. It's like you go to the bar, right? She's hot and she's got a personality. Whoa, this is rare. And wow. And she doesn't have an Instagram. It's a unicorn. It's, you know what? You gotta, and sometimes you just gotta speak the truth. And this is the truth. If you want it, you gotta make sacrifices, guys. And it's, you know what? And you gotta be okay with that. And you know what? Drop below in the comments which one you would pick. Do you prefer, and we're talking about win rate here, would you prefer a model that is higher RR, higher win rate, but doesn't appear as frequently? So the hot chick at the bar, who's kind of a pain in the ass, but the boys are like, dude. The boys are like, yo, she's bad, right? Or would you prefer the lower RR, little bit less of a win rate, more frequency, like, she's like a 6 or a 7 at the bar. The boys are like, yo, she's all right. But yo, dude, she cooks a chicken marsala that could knock you off your chair. Honey, come here. Honey, get in here. Honey, I'm talking to the people here. And I'm saying, honey, get in here. Babe, she's eating ice cream. So would you like this, guys? Would you like a more busted girl who's like good in the kitchen, she's like a 6 or a 7, and then like she gives you back rubs and she cooks a mean filet mignon. Honey, you cook a great filet mignon, and that makes up for you in the looks department, honey. And babe, what would you prefer more, honey? Would you prefer a higher win rate? Would you prefer a higher win rate with a less frequency of trades, higher win rate, higher RR, or would you prefer higher frequency, a little bit less win rate, and less RR? What would you prefer?
Higher win rate.
Higher win rate.
Yeah, because then you don't feel bad about yourself.
So that's what you feel about me. Handsome.
No.
Extremely sexual.
No.
But a little bit annoying.
No.
All right, Taylor Marie Francis, everyone. Thanks for tuning in, honey. See you later. You dig a hole, bro. Guys, you don't understand how much I love that woman. You guys don't even know. I love that woman so much that I'm allowed to rip on her. We've been together 5 years. That's the love of my life. You're dead. Babe, they're like, you're done. You know what? I ain't scared of her. I wear the pants around here, guys. Even the girl agrees with the high win rate. Oh, I of course. Do you think I hide anything from around her? I am an open book. I'm open book. Yeah, buddy, you need a place to stay tonight. Oh, God. He's sleeping on the floor. Oh, hell no. Yo, wait, I'm reading the comments. NQ dumping? Let me see. No, babe, you do cook like a mean filet mignon. Nah, insane. Oh, we having that tomorrow for dinner, by the way? Hell yeah. Yo, honestly, guys, if you need a good steak, yo, I'm not even kidding, but we love you more than her. I love you guys more than her. I love you more than Taylor Marie Francis. I've been married 13 years. I get it, brother. You got it. Guys, listen, I could say whatever I want because I would do anything for that woman, okay? She's been with me when I had nothing, and I can say whatever I want to her because she knows how much I love her. It's just love. It's all love. If you can't rip on your girl, dude, you know, it's like she don't really love you, bro. She don't love you. Of course, I love life. So, yo, guys, I want to talk about NQ, nothing right now. I want to get in on these gold longs. That's what I really want, guys. I really want to get in on this party. But I can't just chase this 15-minute, right? I can't chase it. Like, there's no entry model here. I can't just get in on this. Been married since 99. Marry your best friend, 100%, yo. She is my best friend. We do everything together. Yo, guys, if you need a good steak, I'm not even kidding because I got steaks from Butcher Box, right, babe? We got them from Butcher Box, and they're freaking bad. I'm telling you right now, hand to God, Trader Joe's filet mignon. What? It's like USDA. Yo, the filet mignon USDA Prime from Trader Joe's. It's like what? $12 a steak.
25 for two.
Yeah, 25 for 2 filet mignons. I'm telling you, these steaks are fire. You guys gotta try them. If you got a Trader Joe's near you and you want like a really good steak, their ribeyes are really good, and their filet mignons, and they're actually great. The prices are phenomenal, and the steaks are sick. I would eat them every day. I literally would. I eat it every day, and it's just fire. Like, if you guys need good steaks, go to Trader Joe's and get the filet mignon or the ribeye there. But it has to be the USDA Prime one. Guys, it's fire. It's freaking fire. But yeah, if you guys like steak, I freaking love steak. Like, it's the best thing that you could possibly put in your body. Amish Country Fresh? Roa, where can I get one of those? No, guys, the best steak that I've ever had, I'm not even kidding you, there's this restaurant. Guys, when we do the Miami meetup, I think we should all go to this restaurant. I think it'll be sick. The best steak that I ever had was at this restaurant in Miami. It's literally down the block from me. It's called Coat. It's a Korean steakhouse. Well, no, the Wagyu we had was fire, right? But you can't eat too much of Wagyu. It's like too rich. The best steakhouse, the best steak I've ever had in my life is that place. It's a Michelin star restaurant, and it's literally insane. It's called Coat. Lancaster, PA. Grass-fed butcher box. Yo, KB, I got that. The steak isn't good. It's not good. Yeah, I'm in the army, and one of my friends has USDA Prime 100% beef tatted on his ass. Amish country, Nutty is from. Is that why Nutty always plays that weird Amish music? Coat, yeah. I'm gonna show you. This is the restaurant. I'll show you. Yo. Guys, I'll tell you right now. This shit, I don't even know, man. I don't even know how they do it. It is, I'm telling you right now, this meal right here will change your life. It's that good. It's not even that expensive. It's not even that expensive. It's literally insane. It's a Michelin star rated restaurant. So fire. Sick. Like, insane. Oh, dude, I could go for it right now. Right now. It's so good. We should do the Coat meetup. Meetup at Coat in Miami, Michelin star restaurant. Papa Riz will pay for it. How about that? ChartFanatics meetup, Coat, Miami, on the Papa Riz dime. On Papa Rizzy's credit card. How about that? Guys, I legit have a freaking tomahawk. I don't even know how to cook this thing. Look at this. Hold on. Let me show you. Yo! How do I cook this? How do I cook this bad boy? I don't know how to cook a tomahawk. It's been sitting in the freezer. How do I cook this? This is... Guys, I need you guys, one of you guys, I have a grill upstairs in my apartment. Can one of you guys come over and grill this? I don't know how. It's a tomahawk. I don't know how to grill it. I need help. So, if anybody wants to come over, I got steaks. I got a tomahawk. We could split it. You just gotta cook it. All you do is gotta go upstairs to the grill and cook it, because I don't know how. So all you gotta do is, you guys gotta come over to my house, and we'll cook this together. This is from Butcher Box. This tomahawk, right, babe? This one's from Butcher Box. Alright, back to the charts. Back to the freaking charts. You just talk me to death. Alright. Let me see. How's NQ doing? It's just really fucking sideways right now, guys. Can we refer to her as ma'am? Yeah, sure. Yeah, so guys, I can't even trade this right now. Look at this. This is disgusting. I'm in this zone right here. I can't even trade any of this right now. It's just bad. It's freaking bad. I might end up doing the giveaways a little bit earlier tonight. Just because this is price action's horrible tonight. It's so bad. So, are there any other questions? Gold all-time highs this week? Are you out of your mind? You know how far we are? Yeah, it's dead, man. This is painful to even watch, right? It's so slow. We got a fair value gap here. This looks kind of interesting. If we respect this fair value gap, let's see here. Maybe I'll take a stab at this. We'll see though. I mean, it would have to be real good, dude. Let's see how we do on this fair value gap. All right, let's see. Let's see how this fair value gap holds up. This 15, and we'll go from there. Yeah, let's see how this 15-minute fair value gap holds up. And we'll create some analysis through that, right? If we could react nice off this 15-minute fair value gap, I would be interested. If we invert it though, right? Like here, this could be our model, right? It's just I would want to see us respect this, right? So here's the CRT. We sweep the high, right? Created the fair value gap. Now we're gonna invert. If we could respect this now, right? I would want to see us respect it because I would be shorting up here and it's kind of risky, right, for this trade. So I would want to see us potentially, you know, if we can invert here and then create, let me see, some sort of structure. Like this, like here, and then we can respect it. Then we can come back down like this. But it all depends on how this candle closes, right? We'll see. If we respect it, we have to see if we respect it or if we invert it. I kind of like this thing. I want to put this on. What is this called? Path? What are you guys thinking? What sessions do you trade daily and how much time do you spend on the desk? Yeah, there is. All right, technically tomorrow is a bank holiday, right? It is a bank holiday. So the markets are open, but I don't expect there to be much action tomorrow, right? What's tomorrow? Veterans Day? Yeah, tomorrow's Veterans Day, so I don't expect for there to be much action. But the market is still open. You're short GC. Would I recommend any course for beginners? I would recommend just utilizing YouTube. I would recommend just utilizing YouTube. You can learn plenty of things that are free at your disposal on YouTube. You do not need to pay anybody, right? You do not need to pay anyone. You can learn anything that you need to know on YouTube. That's what I did. Gold, I think price is targeting the daily FVG. Let me see here, June. Yeah. That is a good target. Testing this up here is a very good target. For sure. June, I agree with that, brother. I definitely agree. I definitely agree, June. For sure. I just think shorting this right now all the way up here is just, it's dangerous, bro. It would have to like be real good. It would have to be real good. Like this is like, I don't know. We have to see how the candle closes though. Does everyone know about the free started trading view? Hey bro, when you going to upload your double inversion? You haven't done Sunday video in 3 weeks. Yeah, because I was on vacation, guys. I was on vacation, well, or holiday, however you guys say it. I was on vacation, so I was just chilling. And guys, everything, if you don't follow my Instagram, I'm posting really good stuff on there, like daily, like my reels. Like check out my reels. Look, I post short form content on here. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm posting stuff like this every single day. I have a lot of good stuff coming. And I'm just trying. I'm giving you like shorter clips. You see, just keeping things simple for you. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Follow me on Instagram. I can make a longer form video, but I do feel like I do a great job of capturing like what you guys really need to understand about the model in a shorter form content style, because I know like a lot of you guys don't have like large attention spans, right? But if you want, go follow me on Instagram. I'm really trying to grow my Instagram and give you guys some really good content and valuable stuff there. And have someone post on your YouTube shorts too. Yeah, I have my team that I work with. Yeah, my team posts all my shorts and stuff. All right, there's the drive. Holy cow. There's dump. There's the dump. Oh, really, John? I didn't know that. Yeah, I have, guys, most of the people, so I work with a team and they usually help me out with all that stuff. I'm more of the, I'm not like the editor kind of guy. Like, I just film the stuff, right? I film the stuff and then my team helps me, like, they edit it and they'll do like captions and stuff and they'll upload it because I need help with that. I don't know how to edit shit. Like, I'm good at making the content, right? I just need, and then I have them help me with the rest. Yeah, check out my Instagram. It's just Tyler G. Follow me on Instagram. Right here. Tyler G. That's it. Very simple. Follow me here. And I've been posting a ton of good stuff, right, guys? So it's like,
here's the step-by-step guide of the mean reversion model. What you're going to do is you're going to come to the charts either at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., which is London Kill Zone, or 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., which is New York.
I'm posting stuff like this every single day. I want to give you guys content that's like, all right, it's straight to the point, right? It's straight to the point. And it'll capture your attention and it's something that's easy. Like, you could go watch it a million times. You'd be like, okay, I don't have to sit through a 20-minute long video. Okay, what's the rules for Tyler's model? All right, let me go check out his reel again. Steps 1, 2, 3, boom. So like, if you guys want me to make more reels, let me know what stuff that you guys want to see, and I'll get the content out there because I want to give it to you guys in a fast, deliverable way where you don't have to sit through a huge, long-form video. You can be like, all right, if I want to go and what are the criteria for the mean reversion model? Okay, let me go check Ty's reel. All right, steps 1, 2, 3 here in a quick 1-minute video, as opposed to you sitting through like a 20-minute video of fucking nonsense. Like, that's the things that, like, when I was watching ICT would drive me nuts. He would create a 3-hour fucking long video, and there would only be about 10 minutes of shit in there that would be worth my time. So it's like, I want to give you guys it in a way where it's deliverable, it's fast, you could watch it over and over again, I could drive it home to you, and that's where I'm really shining, and I feel like I'm getting a lot of good content out of with the reels for you guys. So yeah, I've been really liking the reels, and I've been getting a lot of content out there, and if you guys want to see anything specific, drop it below here, and I'll get it done right away. I'm going to film a bunch tomorrow. So if you want to see anything specifically that you want me to make a reel of on my Instagram or talk about in a reel or anything like that you guys want to see, drop it below and I will make a video on it. So give me some ideas, guys. I need some help because I can only think of so many things, but let me know what you guys need from me, and I will, like, whether it be risk management, whether it be how much to risk on an eval, how much to risk on a funded stage, how I got, what's the best path to get to 6 figures in payouts. It's all these things are things that I can help you with. So just give me some ideas. You want to see how I cook the tomahawk? Yo, Tyler Trades for Days. What's good? Look at this. Look at this freaking wick, dude. Holy cow. Look at that freaking wick. Whoa. That is a beautiful wick right there. That's a wick, dude. If this closes bullish, holy cow. That's naughty candle right there, dude. Whoa. Look at that shit. Damn. Now we're picking up some freaking volatility, baby. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, it's just like amount of typical failed evals prior to getting payouts. That's good. Okay. Yeah, well, it's going to vary for everyone, right? It's going to vary for everyone. A lot of people treat, you got to understand, guys, a lot of people treat funded accounts differently, right? I was never the type to churn accounts. I never like you could be profitable doing that. There really isn't a problem doing that. It's that if you have a positive expectancy and a positive ROI and you go through accounts, and as long as at the end of the day you're net positive, I can't say shit about it. It's just I never traded like that. I didn't rinse through a lot of accounts ever. I always treated my accounts with respect. I never full margined my accounts. It wasn't something that I ever did. Did I get on tilt and ruin a few accounts in the beginning of my days because I couldn't control my emotions? Yes, but it never was on purpose to the point where I was like, I don't give a fuck. Like, I really cared about those accounts. Every single account I've ever had, I really cared about, and I treated it like it was a live account, right? Like, and coming from the CFD space, right? You don't want to burn accounts. Those accounts were a lot of fucking money, yo. I was spending like $1,000 for those accounts. I didn't want to burn those. And it's a little bit easier with futures and it's okay if you burn more accounts or futures because the barrier to entry is so much smaller, right? It's so much smaller. Like, you can't even compare the two. The future space is infinitely better than the CFD space because the amount of capital that you need to get started is just so small, right? And so if you do burn more accounts, you need to understand that you don't need to really worry about it because that could be erased in one big payout, right? But I do firmly believe, right? I do firmly believe that the best ROI are the smaller accounts, right? You want the accounts that are like 1-to-1 profit to drawdown ratio, 1-to-1.5 profit to drawdown ratio. You don't need those big accounts. You do not need a 300K account. You do not need a 150K account. I don't think the ROI is the best on straight to funded accounts. I tried the straight to funded accounts. I don't really think that the ROI is the best. I think like a typical ROI for a straight to funded account is like a 1-to-6. I want a minimum of a 1-to-10, right? So I like the 25K accounts. I like TPT 25K accounts. I like Apex 25K accounts. I like 25K accounts. I like Funded Next Futures 25K accounts. It's just, for me, is that the ROI is just, it's larger, right? The profit to drawdown ratio is better. You could trade micros. You don't even ever have to trade a mini in your life. So, yeah, yo, John, John, the CFD accounts were over a rack. A 300K account, a 200K account, over a G. Easily, bro. Easy, without a doubt. Easy. So, you have to understand is that I really respected those accounts. I didn't want to burn those, bro. Are you out of your mind? Those were expensive-ass accounts. So, when I first came into the future space, I was like, holy cow, these accounts, like Top Step, $50. Apex, I could get accounts 90% off for $60. I go, this is a world of a difference, right? But it's just an entirely different style of trading, right? So it was a big shift for me. It's just the barrier to entry is just so much more substantially smaller, and it's better. It's better. The ROI is way better. You can leverage the accounts better. There's not any bullshit rules. Like, it's just it's a better way of trading, 100%. I don't think. Let me see. I need a payout from Apex before Swagoo. Mama trades. Yeah, I know. All it takes is one, Mama trades. All it takes is one. Micro or minis, which is better? I prefer micros, right? It's easier psychologically. You really don't need to be trading minis right now in these markets. The volatility is so extremely fucking high. You can do plenty of damage, right, with micros. You don't need to be trading minis right now. You don't. With the market conditions right now and how things are moving, like, you do not need to ever put a mini on. You can, right? If you got a bigger account, I'm just saying, as far as an ROI standpoint, and if you're going to mess up accounts, just go with the smaller accounts until you're really, really ready to go and take that bigger leap, right? Until you're really just in the point where it's like, you know what? I got some disposable income. If I burn a few of the bigger accounts, it's all right. I'm not worried about it. Stick with the smaller accounts, man. The profit to drawdown ratio where it's a 1-to-1, that's where you could shine. Stay away from the straight to fundeds for right now. I don't think as far as a ROI perspective, it is the best, right? I think it's a money grab, bro. I think most of the straight to fundeds are a money grab. I think that, you know, it's just a way for people that, you know, are lazy. They don't want to pass an evaluation, and they're like, but still, it's like to spend $500 for a straight to funded and then only get a $3,000 payout. It's like, that's a 1 to 6 ROI. It's like, I don't want that. I want something bigger, man. I want a bigger ROI on my money, right? I don't want that. I don't want to spend $500 on an account anymore. I want the max to spend on a futures account to be $100. That's it. Like, I don't like spending more than $100 on a futures account now. If it's more than 100, I won't even buy it. I want it to be less than 100. Typically, I want it to be 50 and lower. And then I want my ROI to be more substantial, right? Listen, for Apex, they're essentially the 50K accounts, I think, are the best. You know what I'm saying? As far as it's nearly a 1-to-1. So if you go 50K and you want the little extra drawdown, that's totally fine. To make an extra $500, it's nothing. So it's essentially, to me, it's like, I think it's like a 1 to 1.25 profit to drawdown ratio. So literally, as far as all in, if you want a little bit more drawdown instead of like it being so tight on the 25Ks, the 50Ks are the best, right? The 50Ks are going to be the best. But you know, for when I trade with TPT, I like the 25K accounts, because it's like, this is how I see it. When I go with TPT and I trade the 25Ks, I get the accounts for $90, right? I get the accounts for $90, no activation fee. It's less than $100, and I could pass in 2 trades, right? And I like evaluations that I could either pass in 1 or 2 trades. I don't like shit that has like a 40% consistency rule in an eval. And I don't like, these are all things that I need to bring up. Okay. Yes, I am. Yeah, no, this looks good, right? If this is going to close bearish, if we could retest this inversion here, like kind of create some sort of, let me show you here. If I could create some sort of, like here, boom, and then get a drive, that would be kind of where I would look for. What is this? Boom. So if this is my, guys, do you want to know my ideal, like, all right, this is my ideal like scenario as a prop trader in the future space, right? This is my ideal scenario. And tell me if you guys agree with this. Tell me if you guys agree. Like, and while we're waiting for this trade, I do like shorts on this, but I do want to see, I want to see us respect this with like a swing high. I want to see us create a new swing point and then to go lower. I wouldn't enter this right away on the inversion. All right, so let's just maintain patience. So let me give you like my ideal account, right? So it would be either pass in 1 day. It'd either be pass in 1 day or 50% consistency, right? Or pass in one or two trades, right? This way I can get through the eval. And typically the way I trade, I don't trade as frequently, right? So I like to take advantage of my A+ setup. So I'll throw on a little bit more size, right? So ideally I would want a 1 day pass or a 50% consistency to pass in 2 days. And ideally, right? Ideally, I would love to have no consistency in the funded stage, or like obviously with Apex, if I'm leveraging 20 accounts, I'm cool with a 30% consistency, right? I'll take it slow. Get to leverage 20 accounts. But like, if I could have no consistency or even like a 50% consistency in the funded stage, freaking awesome, right? And ideally, I think, and you know what I hate is that I wish all of the accounts were just a one-time fee, right? Because I don't trade as frequently as other people. So I know a lot of the firms now are coming around to like just paying once, right? Like you pay one-time fee and that's it. Like I would rather pay once, right? And not have the monthly subscription and then pay an activation fee when I pass, than have like a monthly recurring fee where I feel like I have to rush trades because I don't want to get rebuild. Do you know what I'm saying? So that, but obviously it's not the same for everyone because people trade more frequently than me. I'm just talking about how I trade, and since I'm not trading as frequently, that would be like my ideal scenario, like as a prop trader, right? One-time fee, 1 day pass or 2 day pass. Be able to obviously scale the accounts with a substantial, like it could have a payout cap, but I would want it to be like either after 5 or 6 payouts, I can get like, you know, a pretty substantial payout, like 25K each account or like 10K each account or uncapped, right? So that's like, for me, when I look for what I look for in a firm now, those are like, that's like my big criteria. I don't know if you guys agree with that at all. But that's kind of like where my mentality is, and I see the prop space going there, and I really do like where it's going, and I feel like a lot of people are going more towards, like, I do see a lot of firms going towards like one-time fees, and you know, a lot of them are ditching the activation fee entirely. So I think with all the other firms in the space now, the competition's so high that it is becoming more favorable for us. So I think that you know, with the competition, the things are only getting better for us, and I do like the direction of how things are going. And yeah, that's just like my ideal scenario for what I'm looking for in a prop. I'm just talking about props in general. I'm just talking about props in general, like futures props, like what I look for. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about any specific firm. I'm just saying if I had like my ideal scenario. NQ is just, this is so bad, guys. How can you trade this right now? Look at this. I can't even trade this, guys. This is brutal. This is bad. I can't trade this shit. I can't. Look at this. What do you want me to do here? You want me to get chopped up? You want me to get freaking chopped up? I can't. All right, here, let's see how this candle closes, right? Scratch off. I don't see nothing on NQ. What are you seeing on NQ? The volatility's picking up, right, guys? Big time. Big time. Lot of volatility right now. These wicks are big. How many points is this? 5 points. Yeah, I mean, here's the inversion. Let's see how this candle closes, right? 1 minute. A good long on NQ on the 1 minute. Oof. Let me see. How much leverage do I use? You're talking about like per trade? I'm just sitting here, guys. I like the short on this, but it's got to show me, like, if we invert here, right, it's got to show me some sort of respect. It is dangerous freaking shorting all the way up here, man. It's bad. It's got to show me some sort of, like, okay, Ty, like, we're respecting this. We could drive lower. He said, Yeah, guys, if you listen, everyone has sees the market differently. Like, that could have been one of Scratch-Off's A+ models. Like, for me, it's not, right? That's the beauty of the market. Like, I personally would be sitting on my hands right now, just the way that I trade. So, yeah, 1 to 5. So typically I would go by, what is Web3 talking about? Sir, how do you take trades using these 4 indicators? Please explain. Guys, I explained the indicators. When the indicator shows up, right, for the inversion, for the mean reversion model, it does everything for you, bro. Literally, it does everything. I made it a 100% mechanical model. 100% mechanical model. Like, literally, the indicator. I physically couldn't do more work for you guys because the indicator does everything. It does everything. Everything. So the CRT model, right? Ooh. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. Guys, I'm gonna post something. I'm gonna post a video in my... Yo, KB, I love you. Guys, I'm gonna post a video because a lot of the times you guys ask the same questions to me, and I've already I explained it, like, you know what I mean? I explained it an hour ago, and then I feel like, how about I make a video and I'll put it in the Discord, and if you need to refer to it, you refer to it in the Discord. This way we could keep it active about what's currently going on in the markets. Is that okay? Listen, I'm not trying to sound like it's just like I can only answer the same question so many times, right? Do you understand? If I make a video and I post it in the Discord, then you guys could go to refer to it, because I want to keep what's going on and what's active, like, currently in the markets, right? I don't want to keep getting flooded with the same question over and over and over again. Okay. Yeah, because, guys, I'm trying to explain to you, but it's the same question. It's over and over and over and over and over again. And I explain, and I did a deep dive into it in the beginning of the stream. Okay. Okay. Better in YouTube. Better in YouTube? All right, I'll do it on YouTube. Okay. Yeah. All right, we'll do a YouTube video. Yeah, because I want to be able to trade with you guys on the streams, right? Here's the dump. Yeah, here's the drop, right? I would really want to see us respect this area. YouTube? Okay. All right, let's get the giveaways running until we could see if we have a potential entry. Let's get the giveaways. You guys want to do some giveaways? I agree, Surf's Flat. I agree, brother. Let me ask Ann here what we're giving away tonight. What? Let me ask Ann here what we're giving away. Yo, what we got? And give me a word. All right, guys. So if you want to enter the giveaway tonight, we will be running Ducky races. Type !join one time. We will do the giveaways, and I will tell you guys which accounts we will be giving away today. As soon as Ant tells me. !join in the chat right now if you want to do a giveaway. If you want to enter yourself into the Ducky race tonight, we will be doing a Ducky race. And yes, !join. 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 We got going on here. Are you guys excited for the Ducky races? Sorry, guys. I'm just checking my socials here real quick. Boom. But yeah, I plan on putting out a lot more content for you. Whatever you guys need. Whatever you guys need, Let me put a story up of the old live streams. Let's see here. Hold on. Currently streaming Asia with everyone. Yo, say what's good, chat. Yo, chat, you in the Instagrams. You in the Instagrams. Oh, let me do another one. Streaming Asia right now. Hold on. Let me redo it. We streaming Asia right now. ChartFanatics live. We with the crew. Say what's good. Everyone in the chat. Chilling. Yo, I'm gonna make a ton of reels tomorrow. Just give me ideas of stuff that you guys want to see and any future content you guys want me to make. Any questions you guys have. I am gonna put out a ton of content tomorrow. So just let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, I'm excited to make some more amazing content for you.
We're in Asia right now. ChartFanatics live. We with the crew. Say what's good. Everyone in the chat, chilling. Yo, I'm gonna make a ton of reels tomorrow. Just give me ideas.
Yo, look at you guys. Wait, I gotta get a better one. Oh, I gotta get a better one. This is good shit. Yo, we streaming Asia with the crew right now, baby. Look at these guys in here. Look at this family. That's it. They come here, even if it's late at night. The vibes are good. We didn't take a trade tonight. But it's okay. I'm going to make some more reels. I'm going to make some more content. Drop below what you guys want to see from me. Love you guys. Thank you for always showing me so much support. And amazing stream. We're going to do some Ducky races tonight right now. We're going to do some giveaways. And I'm doing more giveaways the rest of the week on my channel. Let's freaking go, baby. All right, you guys are officially on my Instagram. Guys, we are doing, I'll be live tomorrow morning. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. I'm going to go to the gym in the morning. I'm going to be live 8 a.m. till about 9:30 on my channel. My channel tomorrow. And we're giving away Apex accounts. Because Bella gave me 20 accounts to give away. I got 20 accounts, guys. And I know you guys are all like little fiends for the accounts. So, come join your boy tomorrow on my channel, and I'll be streaming there. Tomorrow. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to do like a little pre-market because I get a lot of good trades in pre-market. So, 8 a.m. to like around 9:30, like right before the market opens, I'll be streaming on my channel. But let's do the giveaways. All right. Are you guys ready for the giveaways? Look at this. There's the inversion. Look at that. You see? That's why. You see? That's why shorting up there is so dangerous, bro. It's dangerous, dude. Danger. All right. So, do you see why shorting there was dangerous, guys? Does everyone understand that we did not? You see how when you're shorting up here, especially in the top Bollinger Band, right? This is really bullish right now, man. This is a wrecking ball. Like, to short this right now, it's scary, bro. It's scary. This is really when gold is bullish, I mean, you just got to get out of the way, dude. You got to just get out of the way because it doesn't care. It's not, you got to understand this asset, man. When it's bullish, there is no stopping it. It's really tough for it to come. Like, there would have to be an extremely strong change of character with a large respecting of a zone for it to really shift. Like, just because we inverted here, it's dangerous, bro. Like, this thing is, when it flies, there's no holding it back. It's relentless. You've seen in some of our swings, when gold moves, bro, it's over. It's a crazy asset to trade. So you really got to learn it. And I've had the luxury of really just been diving in on gold, and I know like what I need to look for in a short on gold. It has to be like It has to be really good, man. It has to be really, really freaking good. Like, it's got to be in the bottom Bollinger Band usually. I got to see it respecting some sort of inversion, because if not, it's going to just rally, bro. It's going to rally. And when it rips freaking hard. It rips really hard. So it's just be careful if you are in a short on this right now. If you are thinking about shorting this, it's dangerous, dude. It is dangerous. So, yeah. Guys, let's run the giveaways. Are you ready for Ducky Race? Let's run Duckies. Let's run quackity quickity quack quack. Are you guys ready? Let's do ducks. Let's do the Duckies. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. That was my dodgeball imitation. Let's go. Let's go. It's duck race time. It's freaking duck race time. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go, baby. Well, let me log in. Unlock premium. Bink. I got my list. Dude, right here. Ooh. All right, who we got up in here? Yo, we got a big list tonight. We got a big list tonight. Here we go. Here we go. Who we got? This is the list, guys. This is the list. This is who made it. 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 We're giving away 1 Apex account, 1 Funded Next, and 6, count 'em, 6 months trade subscription. This is who made it tonight. This is who freaking made it tonight. Who's up in here? Who's up in here? Who's up in here? This is who made it. If you see your name, you made it tonight. If you see your name, you made it. Oh no! Ant? How do I let this guy race? Are you kidding me? Ant, are you seeing the name? Drug test him. Drug test him right now, or he's not part of the race. He's telling me right now he's already on performance-enhancing substances. How could I let him race? How do you want me to let him race? Are you kidding me? He's up to no good. This guy, he's up to no good. Unbelievable. Who else is in here? A lot of new names. A lot of new names that I haven't seen. Oh, Johnny Chung, there he is. This guy's banned. He's banned. All right. Here we go. Are we ready? All right. This one is going to be for Apex Trader funding account. Apex Trader. On your mark. Get set. Go. Who do we got? Oh, my boy, Neo. Neo in first place, looking strong. Neo in first place, looking good. Here's Zog48. Zog48 and Godzilla, neck and neck. But here comes Vision Circle. Vision Circle and Jumpman JRD23. Here comes Old Man. Little strawberry head on the left-hand side. Little strawberry head on the left-hand side. Here's Old Man Jenkins. Oh my God, Batman. Oh my God, Batman. But here comes Godzilla FX Pro. Godzilla FX Pro looking good. Looking very strong, but it comes down to the last 5 seconds, people. This is what it comes down to. He's falling short. Dead Rabbit. Oh my God. Oh, he rose from the ashes. Hold on. He rose from the freaking ashes, babe. The Dead Rabbit. He rose from the freaking gut. He rose from the ashes. He rose from the ashes, babe. Dead Rabbit. Dead Rabbit. He rose from the ashes. He rose. He rose from the ashes. The Dead Rabbit. Congratulations. He rose. He has risen. He has risen from the ashes, and he has come to this race, and he has put on an absolute show. That's Dead Rabbit 26. Are you here, bud? He has risen. So you thought he was out, but he rose. He rose to the top. And there he is, the Dead Rabbit. What a freaking pair of legs on that dead little rabbit. And you know what? A great pair of legs on that guy. A great pair of legs on that guy. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. That should be a phoenix. Well, listen, that rabbit rose. All right. All right. We're doing Funded next. Funded next is next. Are we ready? Wait, let me bring this down. Let me do a quick shuffle. Dead Rabbit. Congratulations, my brother. Oh my God, you gave him a 300K Apex account? Hell yeah. Yeah, that's lit. Yo, nice. All right, let's do, this is for Funded next. Or is it Alpha or Funded next? Let me see. Alpha? Alpha, sorry, Alpha. I stand corrected. It's for Alpha. It's for Alpha account. Alpha account, I stand corrected. On your mark, get set, go. Junebug, my brother Junebug in first place. Junebug's looking good. Here's my bro. Oh, Tyler trades for days too. And Zog48. Zog48 and Junebug. But Tyler trades for days, maintaining a strong lead. Here comes Doc Currency. Doc Currency looking good. But Junebug in the front. Junebug in the front looking good. Who's coming up here behind? Oh my God, little strawberry head. Here's Adrian Alexander. Here's Pamela. Pamela looking good. The last 5 seconds, she's falling shortly behind. Pamela. Who is this? Up on the left. Oh my God, Pro Trader. But it is Austin Lee Andrews, 92.76. Austin Lee Andrews, 92.76. P. Sherman, 42. Wallaby Way, Sydney. Austin Lee Andrews, 92.76. P. Sherman, 42. Wallaby Way, Sydney. It's from Finding Nemo if you've never seen it. Austin Lee Andrews, congratulations. Congratulations, my brother. P. Sherman, 42. Wallaby Way, Sydney. Unbelievable. Austin Lee Andrews, are you here? You won? Yeah, you won. Well, we're gonna check first. We're gonna check first, Austin Lee Andrews, because I have to make sure that we're maintaining a strict integrity here at the DRFF. Are you not familiar with the DRFF rules and regulations? Oh, well, they should be right here in your manual. Well, each one of you, before you got this race, you got the strict rules and regulations to the DRFF, and there are strict criteria here that says each and every single one of the ducks running in the duck race will be subjected to a full urine analysis, drug panel, blood test, and colorectal exam done by Rizzy Bop himself. I don't make the rules, guys. It's in the manual. And each one of you, before you ran this race, you got a PDF of the manual sent to your each individual emails. So I don't make the rules, guys. I just enforce them, okay? So like I said, take it serious. Take it freaking serious. All right, guys. This is the moment you've all been waiting for, right? With great moments comes great responsibility. Okay? With great freaking moments comes great responsibility. Now, I know what you're thinking. I didn't win the first race. I didn't win the second race. But at the end of the day, it means nothing. You know why? Because this race right here is for all the goddamn freaking marbles. It's for all of them. All the marbles. Because this specific race right here, the final race of the night, is for 6, count 'em, 6 months. Trade seller. Freaking go, baby. Shuffling. Shuffling twice. 1 shuffle. 2 shuffle. I'm shuffling twice. 1 shuffle. 2 shuffle. We shuffled. Let's freaking go. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. Who do we got? We got X4563, also known as the Spider-Man, Peter Parker, in first place. But here comes Paul Hosner. Paul Hosner looking like a little investigator. A little investigator with his little pipe. But here comes Haji Ubaid, F7M. But here's Sniper Entry. Sniper Entry and Haji Ubaid, F7M. Neck and neck. Digital Growth falling shortly behind. Here's Z-Traits. Z-Traits coming in the back end. Z-Traits coming in the back end. Oh my God, KB! KB! Oh, KB! My boy KB! KB! Yo! Where's KB? KB! KB's here. I was just talking to KB. Where is he? KB, you little sly little dog. You little sly little dog, you. Unbelievable, bud. KB, where are you? You freaking won. I know he's here. I was just talking to him. There's my boy. There's my freaking boy. KB, you freaking won, my boy. Let's go. Honestly, I'm happy KB won. You know what, KB, I'm glad you won, my brother. Amazing, amazing victory to end the freaking night. I love you, my boy. I freaking love you. Amazing win. Guys, and I know what you're thinking. Oh, I'm sad I didn't win tonight. Guys, come see your boy tomorrow. Come see your boy tomorrow. You know why? I don't got 1 account. I don't got 5. I don't got 10. I got 20 accounts. That's a 2 and a 0, if you're not familiar. A 2 and a 0. So, come holla at your boy tomorrow, okay? Because I'm giving accounts away, and we're trading in the morning. Congratulations to KB. So, guys, let me do my little closing out spiel here. Although we didn't get a trade tonight, who cares? Guys, you have to start to shift your mindset, right? You have to shift your mindset. You have to understand that when you don't take a trade, you are taking a trade because you just preserve the money that you have in your account. You have to shift. What I know, like the human mind is such an incredible thing where it's like you feel like you need to do more. You feel like you need to be involved in the markets every day or you're not progressing, but you are progressing in your trading. The fact that you're not taking a trade and you're being patient, you're waiting for the market to come to you. I know it's boring, guys. I know it sucks. I know you want to be involved in the markets at all times, but it's just, this is what it takes to really take your trading to the next level. You gotta learn to just sit around and do nothing. I know, listen, profitable trading is boring. It's boring, right? But if you're feeling emotional, you're on a high, you're happy when you're in trade, you're not in the right mind frame yet. Like you haven't done this long enough. You haven't experienced the ups and downs. You haven't experienced the big payouts. It's like all this shit is you got to get it out of your system, right? So whatever you're feeling now, if you feel like you got to overtrade, you got to get this shit out of your system. You got to get it out. Right? And each and every single one of you are going to do it until you finally understand that, you go through the pain, or like you got to just understand that this is you're in this for the long haul, and you're not going to get trades every single day, man. You're not. It's just, and especially for the way I trade, right? I have a high RR, higher win rate. I'm not going to be involved in the market as often. I'm not a hyper scalper, right? One of an amazing traders that we have here at on ChartFanatics is AB. AB trades the lower time frames. That's his specialty. I can't go down that low, right? I was talking to AB. I think he was saying he goes to like the 10 or the 15-second chart. I was like, dude, if I traded that chart, I would literally have a panic attack. So this is where my individual skill and my individual edge is in the market. So I just stick with what works for me, right? And I stick with what got me to this point, and I don't fix something that's not broken. So I'm sorry that I don't catch as many trades as these other streamers do, but I hope I provide enough knowledge that I make up for it, and we have fun here, we have a good time, and yeah, I just love doing these streams. They mean the absolute world to me, and you guys are the best. You guys are my family. So guys, if you aren't aware, I am streaming on my channel tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be giving Apex accounts away. We will be trading. We will be answering any questions you guys got. I'll be doing that on my channel because I want my channel to be more active still, right? I love streaming here, but I also want to give my channel the love it needs because I haven't been streaming as often. I've just been doing the Sunday webinars on there, and I need to give it more love and affection. I really want to build like a super tight-knit community based around my channel, and so I'm going to be streaming there at 8 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be giving away Apex accounts. I look forward to seeing each and every single one of you there. Hopefully you guys can come and hang out and we can catch a trade tomorrow. Unfortunately, we didn't get nothing tonight, but we had a great time. Hopefully you guys learned something. You guys got the granny indicator for free. If you guys need it, it's in the Discord. Thank you to everyone on the ChartFanatics team for staying up late with your boy and clocking in for this amazing Asia session. How do I find your channel? Okay, let me go to my... Yo, Ant, could you drop a link to my channel, please? Subscribe to my channel. Hold on. Let me go to YouTube. Here's your boy's channel. Right here. Boom. There's my channel right here. At TG Capital. Right here. There's your boy. Here's my channel. Go subscribe. I'll see you there. Subscribe to your boy. Oh, yo, I hit 6K subs. Oh, yo, I hit 6K subs. Hell yeah. All right, guys, I need to get this to 10K. That's my goal. I hit 6K subs, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But I feel like I could grow it more, right? I'm not giving this enough love. Like, my last live stream was 3 weeks ago. Like, this is 3 weeks ago because I've been focused here. But anyway... My laptop just died. But anyway, guys, I'm going to be streaming tomorrow there. I'll see you guys tomorrow on my channel. Yeah. I love you guys so much. I'm going to go get some rest. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'm going to go to the gym in the morning, and we're going to lock in. We'll give accounts away. We'll hang out. Anyway, love you guys. See you tomorrow. Love you. Gotta go. Bye. See you later.